Question number 3. Is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Let the breadth of a rectangular mango grove is equal to x meter and length of a rectangular mango grove is equal to 2x meter. According to question, area equal to 800 meters square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 800. Length is 2x multiplied by breadth is x, that is 800. 2x square equal to 800. X square is equal to 800 upon 2, that is 400. X square is equal to 400. X equal to under root of 400. X equal to 20. Prime factorization of 400 is 200, 200, 250, 225, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. That is in pair 2 into 2 into 5. 5 4s are 20. So x is equal to 20. X is breadth. Length is equal to 2x meter, that is 2 into 20, 2 multiplied by 20. Length is equal to 40 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter. Answer. Let the breadth of a rectangular mango grove be x meter and length of a rectangular mango grove be 2x meter. According to question, length is twice its breadth. So breadth is x and length is 2x meter. According to question, area is equal to 800 meters square. Area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. Length is 2x, breadth is x. 2x into x, that is 2x square equal to 800 and x square equal to 800 divided by 2, that is equal to 400. X square is equal to 400 means x is equal to under root of 400. 20 square is 400. So we get the value of x, that is breadth of rectangular mango Group is equal to 20 and length is double of breadth, that is 2 into 20, 40 meter, length 40 meter and breadth 20 meter. Answer. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. Let length of rectangular park be x meter and breadth of rectangular park be y meter. According to question, perimeter is equal to 80 meter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. That is 2 into L is x and B is y equal to 80. This implies x plus y is equal to 80 divided by 2. 80 divided by 2. So x plus y equal to 40. And area is equal to 400 meter square. X into y is equal to 400. This implies y is equal to 400 upon x. And we are putting y in this equation first. This is second equation. Putting the value of y in first, we get x plus 400 upon x is equal to 40 and x multiplied by 40, x multiplied by x. This implies x square plus 400 is equal to 40x. And 40x shifting left side, that is x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation and splitting middle term. Prime factorization of 400 is equal to 20, 20 jar, 21. So we are splitting minus 40x. This implies x square minus 20x plus 400 is equal to 0. Minus 20x that is equal to minus 40x, and product of minus 20x that is equal to 400x square. We are taking common x and in bracket x minus 20. X minus 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. This implies x minus 20 equal to 0. So x is equal to 20. We are putting the value of x equal to 20 in equation second. Put x is equal to 20 in second. We get y is equal to 400 upon 20. This implies y is equal to 20. So length is equal to 20 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter. Answer. Let the length of rectangular park be x meter and breadth of rectangular park be y meter. According to question, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 80 meter. It's given. And perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. L is x and B is y. 2 into x plus y is equal to 80. This implies x plus y is equal to 80 divided by 2, that is equal to 40. So we get equation first, that is x plus y equal to 40. And area equal to 400 meter square. Given area is 400 meter square. Area of rectangle is equal to L into V, that is x into y is equal to 400, and this implies y is equal to 400 upon x. It's equation second. Putting the value of y in equation first, we get x plus 400 upon x is equal to 40. X multiplied by x, that is x square. X multiplied by 40, that is equal to 40x plus 400 as it is. And we get a quadratic equation. Minus 40x shifting left side, that is minus 40x. X square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. And we are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last is 400x square. And we are splitting minus 40x, that is minus 20x minus 20x, and product of 20x, that will be 400x square. Taking common x in bracket x minus 20, x minus 20 in bracket and 20 is common. So we get x minus 20 equal to 0, and value of x is equal to 20. And putting the value of x equal to 20 in equation second, 400 divided by 20, 20s are 400, and we get the value of y, that is also 20. Length equal to 20 meter and breadth equal to 20 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.